Hola, all my students, or my scholars, or my learners, or my parents assisting learners. Welcome to Schoolwork All-in-One Fun with your autistic teacher and mentor, Isabella Jansen. Now today we are going to start our Afrikaans Additional Language series. So grade 8 to grade 12. This is your November exam. We're going to take a look at little nicks and nibbles with language, some poetry, creative writing work, and we're going to break it down in neurodiverse bits and pieces to make it easy for you. Now, to start off with the language, let's take a look at, kom ons kyk na, voorsetsels, prepositions. Now, this is a part of the language that we sometimes struggle with in Afrikaans. Voorsetsels. Now, what is a voorsetsel? What is a preposition? How will I be able to recognize a voorsetsel in Afrikaans? Listen carefully, luister mooi. A voorsetsel is that small word that indicates number one, position. Waar is ek? Where am I? According to the object. And number two, method. Now, method means with what or how am I doing something. And most of the times in Afrikaans, we use the word met when dealing with method. So let's quickly see. If I see voorsetsels in Afrikaans, wat weet ek? What do I know? Prepositions. What do I look for? Waarna soek ek? The small words. Remember, no longer than 3 or 4 letters. The small words that indicates position or that indicates method. What is the common voorsetsel vir method in Afrikaans? The word met. Okay, now let's take a look at some examples. Here is some examples of my small words. Langs, voor, op, agter, vir, om, in. Can you see? It's all small words. Now let's check examples where I use my voorsetsel to indicate position. Ek staan langs die tafel. In position wise, where do I stand? Next to the table. Wat is next to in Afrikaans? Langs. Right. Next up. Jy sit op die stoel. Position. Where are you? You are on the chair. And op is a small word. Dit is a voorsetsel. Die vis swem in die see. Where is the fish? Waar is die vis? Hy is in die see. Now all of these three is small words that indicates position. Okay, now let's take a look at how will a method one now look. A method one. Jy skryf met 'n pen. What is my small preposition that indicates how you are doing it? Met. Jy skryf nie in 'n pen nie, né? Jy skryf met 'n pen. Okay, next one. For method. Jy vra vir 'n liniaal. And what is my preposition? My voorsetsel, vir. And that is method. How do you want to get the ruler? You asking for it. Ek vra vir 'n liniaal. Okay, so, 'n voorsetsel, 'n preposition, is my small words. It indicates position and method. Method, normally the word met. Position, where am I? Waar is ek? Nou kom ons kyk gou na moeilike voorsetsels, difficult prepositions. Okey-dokes. Now let's take a look at the voorsetsel per and the voorsetsel te. Grade 12's, pay attention, you might get that. Okay. Now, if I say per, it lets me think about a engine. Okay. So if you travel with anything that has an engine, I use the word per. Ek ry per motor. Why don't I say ek ry te motor? Because te doesn't have an engine, eh? Ek ry per train. Because a train has an engine. It goes per. Ek ry per vliegtuig. Of ek vlieg per vliegtuig. Why per? Because it has an engine. Ek ry per motorfiets. But te is for something that have no engine. So, the only engine is yourself. Nee. Ek loop te voet. Does my voete go prrr? No, there's no engine. So I have to use te. Ek ry te fiets. My bicycle, it has no engine, I have to wheelie it myself, nee. So I can't say ek ry per fiets, maar ek ry te fiets. Okay, but what if it was a motorbike, a motorfiets? Yes, it has an engine, it goes prrr. So now I can say, ek ry per motorfiets, maar ek ry te fiets. So, per and te, we use for traveling. As ek iewers heen gaan. Alright. Anything that has an engine, prrr, nee? I use per. Everything that has no engine, I use te. Ek ry te perd. Ek loop te voet. Ek ry te fiets. But ek ry per bus. Ek ry per motorkar. Ek ry per motorfiets. Because it has an engine. Right. Now we made the per and the te easy. Let's take a look at a basic error that you guys do and how can we fix it in Afrikaans. Okay, dokes. Now the last mistake, and I really need you to concentrate here. The last mistake that you guys do is when you say, ek loop by die winkel. Ek loop by die straat. You do it in your language, you do it in your writing, but no. Nee, I know what happens in Afrikaans additional language is we translate and then we get to there. Okay, but in Afrikaans sê ons nie ek loop by die winkel nie. Ons sê ek loop na die winkel. Okay, ek loop nie by die kantoor nie, ek loop na die kantoor. Ek loop nie by die winkel nie, ek gaan na die winkel. Ek loop nie by die dorp nie, ek gaan na die dorp. And the next one. Ek loop nie by die straat nie, ek loop in die straat. Okay, so these are the two ones that we get confused. Alright, now we're gonna unconfuse it, literally using our feet. Yeah, this is what makes different teaching nice. Nah? Okay, now, you cannot say you are walking by die straat. You must say na die straat. Now that means you are not there yet. Nah. Alright. So now we take our feet. Watch my feet. Ek loop na die winkel in die pad. Ek loop na die winkel in die straat. Where's my feet? It's in the road. Nee. Ek loop na my ouma toe in die pad. And this is how we're gonna remember it. And if you sit on a chair, you can do it nice. Ek gaan na die winkel en my voete is in die straat. And this is how we're gonna make these oukies cancel out. You go na die winkel, and where is your feet? In the road. Not on the road is in English, nee. Alright. So, na, in. Na, in. Okay. So what do we know now from voorsetsels? And you're not going to get it wrong now again. Small words that indicates position and method. Method, how or, nee, do I go about? What do I do? Normally the word met. Ek skryf met 'n pen. Ek vra vir 'n liniaal. Position. Ek sit op die stoel. Ek staan langs my maatjie. Alright, traveling. Per en te. Ek ry per bus because it has an engine. Ek ry per kar because it has an engine. No engine, ek loop te voet. Ek loop of ek ry te fiets. Of ek ry te perd. It doesn't have an engine. And do I say ek gaan by die winkel en ek loop by die straat? Nee. Voetjies. Ek gaan na die winkel en ek loop in die straat. And that's as easy as that. Give me that thumbs up, subscribe. Next up, we are quickly going to take a look at the negative. Ooh, the negative, die negatief in Afrikaans. Be good, be safe, be wise. See you with the negative.